and I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
Good day, people. Welcome to Philly Djawn Food Reviews. We're in Middletown, Delaware, checking out Poppin' Artesian Pops. It's a popsicle place, so come along for the journey. How you feel about the business and the pops and stuff like that?
I mean, I like it. They're like really, really tasty in my opinion, and we make all of them here, so like I get to try them out occasionally. So yeah, I like it.
So check him out because this is his mom's business, and he's in here working. And he gave me a great suggestion for watermelon. What was it? Watermelon?
Sweet and the sweet and
Sweet and watermelon. So come to, if you're in Delaware, you're in Middletown, I'm sorry, come down, check them out. So we're here, I got a watermelon with cream, one of the owner's son's recommended favorite, but I'm gonna taste it now, and I'm gonna let y'all know. It's pretty good. It tastes like watermelon, like you biting a piece of watermelon. I recommend this place. You want to give it a thumbs up? There you go. That's my review. That's my opinion on it. So there you have it. We came and we checked it out. We talked to the owner and we talked to one of the workers, which is her son. Great atmosphere, great people. Please come and check them out. It's a new business, Middletown, Delaware. I highly recommend it. I mean, I can't say more. This is not paid. This is a straight up review. Come check them out.